Strangers in the Night by Tony Banks. For all my friends, followers, strangers in the night, exchanging glances, wandering in the night. What were the chances we've been sharing love before the night was dry? Something in your eyes was so inviting, something in your smile was so exciting, something in my heart told me I must have you. Strangers in the night, two lovely people we were strangers in the night. Up to the moment we received our first love, little did we know love was just a glance away, a warm embracing dance away. And ever since that night we've been together, lovers at first sight, in love forever. It turned out so right for strangers in the night.